Your Excellency, the Governor of Kisii County, and all protocols observed. My name is Dennis Ombachi, leader of Minority, Kisii County Assembly. I'll say three things in 1 minute, Your Excellency. 1986, when Sir Alex Ferguson took over in Manchester United, the team was very much disjointed. He found wazee akina Mark Hughes na wengine. Then he said one thing, I'm in charge here. If you don't listen, you go away. Within 5 years, Your Excellency, Manchester United 1992 won the first Premier League. And I'm saying within the next 3 years, Your Excellency, Shabana will take over the premiers in this country. Number two, Your Excellency, I'm requesting, there is a very good team in Tanzania called Simba FC. Take Shabana there to play a friendly match with this Simba FC. And lastly, they are saying you bring Simba here to play with Shabana. Lastly, Your Excellency, if you go to United Kingdom, their economy has been grown by football. All the best players, the best coaches are there. It means football is business. Let us go so to the grassroots, start all small teams from the sub-location, wards, and tap the talents so that we can be able to come and inject energy to the Shabana team. Congratulations Shabana, Your Excellency, asante sana, tunautakia mema, tuko nyuma yako. Asante.
Asante sana. Sababu tuko ward ya Kisii Central, Mheshimiwa Monyenye tafadhali. Ema amba.
Aya. Your Excellency the Governor, Mugabano ito Mwanchua Simbarati, Deputy Governor ito Mosque Robert Monda, Omongi na May, Chirego Chiariake, Omongi no Minto, abantu ba Minto mwesipi muyamole. Sabana we! Sabana we! Mole no magoko. Igango tebi Governor Minto, ayenege sire. Keko ge jomo gumo. Abana bana ukubwati imbosa. Amaritati ayonsi ibi nae wakolire. Sabane ye abantu mbanye cyagete kagwa. Egakora ki? Nkaewe chaki ya 2 million naringa ko barageri. 2 million. Oyo Minto sa minyamweya. No erega ali anene. Nganko ngakanale eyobo limo. Intubono ige patroni ito ya Sabana ngaba na Simbara arati. Abagocha sauli yao. Kero kuwa lenge isiko. No tu wengine kibagendiga. Tugakore gasi yo gukumia. Ninje na lenga kagitingi gaba na gakeiga. Ono nkwanda wagocha sole. E wono gajire gote gasi kamwando ba. Ono lito majority talengo one sabali alenge. Lito minority talengo. Speaker nya lengo. Oyo minte deputy governor talengo. Omonye no mochita lengo. Ono gote ninje moyena atikaletega. Oikango konya senkonyara. Namondo te yora kiese nae. Onye ne ogo eta nyanja toko genda nere. Mwano oli mokaniga. Ane na mokani ere TV. Aganye 2032. Na 2032 eyo ajikobori obwe MC bwa Moticho. Ajikobori obwe MC bwa Moticho. Aserusa yao. Sabana mbuwa nemenyete chinyomba chiane. Omwako oyo ngimane deni elimbwate na asiririe. Wamenye baka wabiyure manager. Manago wapi? Ile deni sasa sitaki. Baka chana mutaniona. Ikona abaire getoro. Chinyomba echi chiane menya free. Nenya machikiro isane karumu bwate umupira aga. 5 kilos of meat. Kaba no Minto nyasa oyo. Abana bantu naragerie myaka 3. No gitole na yendo ntosinyo. Na deputy governor kara Sabana tole bobe. Sabaseni na yasa digaseni governor ya nkomo bwati stole asechi jera chos. Kenya Sabaseni buyamono.
Mheshimiwa Monyenye. Asante sana.